意味里人始终愿意以最开放的姿态、最务实的行动、最坚定的投入，与大家同心共行、共生共长、共赢未来。
Our technology roadmap is very clear. We will further reduce the battery's self-discharge rate to lower than 1% per year, extend service life to over 20 years.
And here in Malaysia, we didn't just bring production here. We brought along our best technology, fastest response, and also our stronger service capability.
The value of a new technology is not realized when it's kept behind a closed door. It is realized when it is put into use.